Hi, today we will see what is make time function in Tableau and how to use this function. So, likewise, in previous videos we have used some function like make date and make date time. So it also works the same way. So as we saw previously, make a date function date used to create a date into our data. So and also uh, the make date time function is help us to return the date as well as the time. So make time function also works the same way. So instead of date, it will return the time. So first we have to create one calculation page and set the title as make time, and then type here make Tableau will recommend you some functions. Click here make time. So as we can see on the right side, here it is the definition of this function and also the example. So here it is written the make time returns a time value constructed from hours, minutes and seconds. So we can see here in the syntax of this function. So here it written there are three different types of input. First we have to put hour, then minute, then second. For in order to do that, so in order to make this function, we have to use three different types of input. First is R, so I'll set R as 10. Then I'll use minute, 30 minutes, and 49 second. So here it is written the calculation is valid. So after that, we can just click on apply, click OK. So take this function and drop it onto the row. So after dropping this onto the row, you just uh, click on this drop down, select exact date, and then select discrete. So now we can see make time. So it is the so here we can see it is the default date it has chosen. So if we see the input that we have just used inside our function, click here on drop down, click edit. So we can see we have used 10 hour, 30 minute and 49 second. So we can relate, and we can also cross check is this really matches that we have which is we used inside the function. So we can see here it definitely matches. We use the input 10, 30 and 49, which is 10 hour, 30 minute and 49 second. And also we can see here. So this is how we can use this function, which is make time function in Tableau, which will return the time as a in a hour, minute and second format. So this is how we can use this function. And thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.